Here we have a question in 3D geometry about points and distances. This is a question from the entrance exam for engineers, mathematicians and physicists, entrance into Flemish universities, and for 43 people correctly answered this one. So if you want to try for yourself, you can pause the video, read the question and have a go at it. So the question in r to the third with Cartesian coordinates xyz for each value of lambda element of r, 2 points are given. P lambda is 1, 0, 2 lambda, and q lambda is minus lambda 1, 1. Choose lambda so that distance between the 2 points is minimal. How large is this minimal distance? And then you get 4 values. Well, the distance between 2 points is simply the square root of the differences, so the square root of xp minus xq squared plus yq minus xp squared plus zq minus zp squared. So if we fill that in, we'll get minus lambda minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 0 squared plus 1 minus 2 lambda squared, and the square root out of that. So if we work this out, we get lambda squared plus 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 lambda squared minus 4 lambda. Or if you consolidate that a bit, you'll get 5 lambda squared minus 2 lambda plus 3, and all under the square root. Now, to minimize the distance, we'll need the derivative from that and put it equal to 0. So the derivative will be 10 lambda minus 2 all over the square root of 5 lambda squared minus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 1/2. So in the numerator you get 5 lambda minus 1 all over the root. But if this has to be 0, then it's sufficient that 5 lambda minus 1 is 0, or lambda is 1/5. So with lambda 1/5 we can then calculate this minimal distance. So we get 5 times lambda squared, so 5 times 1/5 squared, minus 2 lambda, that's minus 2 times 1/5, plus 3 15/5. So that's 1/5 minus 2/5 plus 15/5. That's 14/5, the root of course, everywhere root of this thing. So you end up with the root of 5 in the denominator. Mathematicians don't like that, so we'll multiply that by the root of 5 over 5, which gives us 5 times 14 is root of 70, and root 5 times root 5 gives you 5. So root 70 over 5, and that is answer C.